Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a refrigerator cleaning video. We're gonna go grocery shopping later on, so every time before grocery shopping I like to clean out the refrigerator, toss everything that is already ready to be tossed, and I like to make a space for new things, and also this helps me see what I need to purchase and what I already have. I really hope you will enjoy this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if this is your first time on my channel and you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you, so please click that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. If you are already part of my channel, thank you so much for being here and for showing me all the support. Okay, let's start with cleaning.
flag. Fire, oh fire, send out a flare to find. Give me a reason. I'm gonna send a sign, calling you over, calling you to my life.
My refrigerator is all clean and ready to be filled up with new groceries. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.